Right. And that is, well, I'm going to do that with command because they have the same note. And believe it or not, we're going to let the rest of this one go for now because we're going to run out of time and it's pretty hymn-like. So let's go to, because he lives. Oh, don't the rhythm. This is page 59. Okay, here we go. We're going to go like a whirlwind. Okay, I'm going to count this for you because you're going to break down the big thoughts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Because he lives, because he rose in mighty triumph from the grave. I put my trust in him and seek to follow him in faith, because he lives. All right, altos, you do not sing that number until the second time through. The marking is missing. If you don't have it written in, please mark second verse only at the harmony in measure 6. Measure 6 for the alto harmony is second verse only. Okay, sing that verse one more time. 1, 2, 3. Because he lives, because he rose in mighty triumph from the grave. I put my trust in him and seek to follow him in faith, because he lives. Good. Back into verse 2, and remember that when you get down into measure 8, there is an alternate rhythm for that measure that's up above there, because it's the only place I can put it, so there it is. All right, 1, 2, 3. Because he lives, my heart is filled with peace amid a world of fear. Now your harmony. And through the blindness of the night, to be my rest secure, because he lives. Good, let's turn the page. And I know there are places where you're still iffy on it, but we don't have time to go back to them right now. Let's pick up at 16. Again, it's the short note, so I'm going to count you in. And 1. Because he lives, I can bear whatever burden may be mine. I am encircled in the arms of love divine, because he lives. 1, 2, 1. Because he lives, he will banish every shadow of my pain, and every sorrow will be swallowed up in him. For his love is healing for the weary soul. This I know, because he lives. This is going to be a tricky area. We'll work on it with the guys, but just know that the first 2 phrases there are going to be rubato, and then that last phrase is going to go right back on tempo.